Confidence. Not all have it, but those who do swear by it. Well, if you're wondering how to become a more confident person overall, well, I've got you. Welcome guys. In this video, we will be looking at 3 easy ways for you to become a more confident man. And the one secret way with which you can implement all of this. Now, that tip is so powerful that even without these 3 points, you can still implement that one tip and be more successful overall. Before we move on with the video, I do similar content throughout my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and follow my channel for more videos like this. Let's move on. 1. Gratitude. Look back at all that you've achieved in the past, however small or insignificant you think it is, but that doesn't matter. You still achieved shit. That's what matters, isn't it? Now, I always advocate being a humble person at heart, but you should never forget your victories too, because they are the things that give us confidence in our future endeavors. So yeah, don't forget your victories, no matter how small or insignificant they are. Always be grateful for what you've done in the past. Now that we're all feeling grateful for ourselves, let's move on. The number 2 point is to get a hobby and set a goal in accordance with it. Set a goal in relation to it. Like, for example, if you learn to play the guitar, set a goal that you learn to play so many chords within X number of days. Now, what this will do to you is quite mind-blowing. It will give you a target to achieve, and hence, first of all, you will be distracted from all your negative thoughts because that's where it's at. Let's be honest with ourselves. And second, once you slowly start achieving things in your selected hobby, it will give you the satisfaction of achieving something. This will not only give you the confidence to do more in that field, but also the reassurance that you've done things you haven't in the past. So this is one of the biggest reasons to take a hobby and set a goal in relation to it. It's as simple as that. That's it. Scientifically speaking, learning new things is so crazy that it actually rewires our brain. I know, right? For example, learning a new international language not only helps you speak another language, but also think in a different manner. This is mind-blowing stuff right here. I will be doing a video on this. Become a thug and smash the crap out of the subscribe button for me, okay? Moving on. The number 3 point, followed by the one biggest secret with which you can implement all of these 3 points easily. Number 3, forgive yourself. Yeah, that's right. Forgive yourself more. Have you ever thought of forgiving yourself? You might have forgiven hundreds of people for thousands of stuff they might have done, but have you ever thought of forgiving yourself for your mistake? Look, let's be real with ourselves. At the end of the day, we're all humans and we make mistakes. When you can forgive others for their mistakes, why the hell can't you do it for yourself? When you are the most important person in your life, you should forgive yourselves. With this attitude, you will progress much more easier. Trust me on this one, alright? Yeah, that was point number 3. Now let's move on to the most important part of this video. The one secret tip with which you can implement all of these past points with an amazing ease. And the precious secret tip is optimism. Yes, that's right. Optimism. Now imagine this. All the points we've discussed before are valuable, yes, but if you don't have the optimism to implement it and wait for results, because see, let's be honest, nothing is going to take effect immediately. It's going to take a while before you start seeing changes in yourself. So we must allow us that positive optimism for things to change in our life. When we don't have optimism, none of what we discussed before is possible at all. Let me be clear about that. So yeah, be optimistic no matter what you face, accept and be optimistic. Well, that was the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. That's okay. Interact with me. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this video. Be brutally honest. I really appreciate that from the people I love. And most of all, most importantly, have yourself a great day, my friend. Bye-bye.